After making a left in front of this pickup, the rider notices the truck creeping up a little too close as he starts to accelerate. A few seconds later, it's clear the driver's upset, so the rider pulls over to see exactly what's going on.
What's up?
That plate's not legal.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. It's this big.
What are you talking about?
License.
It's a temporary tag. What? What?
Let me see.
You don't have to see it, dude. Who the f are you? Cool.
While following some friends through mountain roads, this rider's excitement quickly turns to concern as he watches one of them hit gravel on the roadside and goes down just ahead of him.
Oh, no. He's down. He's down. I think he's alright. Did his airbag go off?
At least it's just a finger. Dude, you fucking almost saved it, bro. Oh my god. You almost... I'm glad you didn't keep going down there.
Oh, it's my ring. Oh gosh. Thank goodness.
You okay?
Yeah.
Thank God, man.
Now, I'm pretty sure this is for the golf carts, but I really want to ride out here. It looks like fun. I really want to check out this golf course. Let's go. I'll just say one of my buddies is playing out here. Be like, yeah, I'm just looking for my buddy. He said he's out here. Don't mind me.
After stumbling across a local golf course and stopping to check it out, this rider gets an unexpected scare when an angry course employee comes charging straight at him.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
What are you doing down there?
I'll just ride on my bike doing a hill test.
You got no truck test inside?
No, I just...
They were huge. You wouldn't have a half closed gate? Don't do that again.
Okay. All right, I'll see you on YouTube. Jeez. All right, that guy definitely came looking for me. See, I wasn't trying to cause any problems whatsoever. I did see the sign. I didn't want to be rude, but I didn't know that was someone's house or the golf course.
Just as she's heading into the store for a quick stop, this rider gets caught off guard. Two officers roll up out of nowhere, and they've got questions. Not just about how she's been riding, but why she's out here with no license plate.
Hi, how you doing?
What's up?
Just come a little closer. How are you?
Good, how are you?
A couple things. You got no plate, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. The way you were driving up Leslie there?
What?
Through traffic?
Yeah.
Yeah. How old are you?
23.
Do you have a driver's license?
Not on me.
You don't have a driver's license?
Not on me.
Now they're trying to go back to your
Pardon? I'm just standing here, sir.
We're not traffic. We're not traffic. I'm
I'm
just saying
just
the way
saying
the way that you were driving was not good. And then you have no plate on your bike.
My bad.
Okay. You do have a driver's license somewhere?
Yeah, it's not on me. I have my backpack. I usually have my side bag. It's in my side
Do you
bag.
have ID of some sort on you?
Not on me.
Just do me a favor, slow down, or you're gonna hurt somebody. Mostly yourself, okay?
Yeah, my bad.
Okay, take it easy.
Thank you, sir.
And get a plate. This is a good lesson, because if we were traffic officers, you'd be in a little bit of trouble. Okay?
Yeah. Have a good day, guys. Thank you.
Take care.
As you heard, she got extremely lucky that these weren't traffic cops, and they let her off despite multiple infractions. It's a solid reminder to always carry your documents, but just as important, stay calm and respectful. More often than not, that attitude gets returned. You'd think a motorcycle stand would make things easier, but this time it does the exact opposite.
So strong.